You learn how to fetch?
Okay. Oh, that's it. Come here. Go get it. Let's come on. Let's go get it.
You got it. You gonna bring it to your big brother? You try it again. Let's try it again. Go get it again, Mama. Go get it. Come here. Okay, roll it for her.
Hey, Penny.
Get it, Penny. Can you get it? Mama get it for you. Get it, get it, get it. Right here. Right here. Come on. Here you go. Why not get it? Okay, that'll go, that'll go, that'll go. Bring it to you, Mama. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Want to try it again? Does he have one? Dinero, drop it.
Dinero, no.
What do you have?
He's got one. Dinero, drop it.
Okay, good boy. Okay, Penny, ready? Here we go. Ready? Bring it here. Bring it here, Penny. Bring it. Here you go. Come on, bring it here. Penny, come on. Here you go. Here you go, girl. Let it go, girl. Okay, good. Good. Ready? Here we go. Go get it. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Okay, good girl. Ready? Release. Okay, go get it. Good girl. Bring it back. Get it. Can you get it? That a good girl. That a good girl. That a good girl. You ready? 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 Here we go. Penny. Penny, ready? Good girl. Oh, go get it. Go get it. Figure it out. That a good girl. Bring it here. Okay, ready? Okay, last one. Go get it. Okay. Okay, bring it back. Bring it back. Oh, the good girl. You're tired. Oh, the puppy's tired.
All right.
Okay. Oh, they're tired.